Hey guys, if you're receiving this short video, it's because you did not address each of the components uh, for the specific professional group that you identified. And so what I want to do is give you an opportunity to fix that. Plus, I want to give you an overview really on what was expected for this assignment. So this is really, we're talking about the first three headings here, 1, 2, and 3. This is dealing with law enforcement, courts, corrections. So remember here for the instructions, you had to select one topic, and that was either juvenile justice system or allied professionals, okay? So that was your professional group. Once you selected your professional group, let's say you selected juvenile justice, and you now are going to discuss this in the context of the law enforcement branch. You then need to address each of these components here, all right? So the odds are you only addressed one of the components. What you needed to do was address each of these components. The same way for number 2. And again, if you selected juvenile justice, and now we're going to be discussing in the context of the courts branch, you need to discuss restorative justice, court process for juveniles, diversion, and alternatives to arrest. And the same with number 3. So again, if you selected juvenile justice, you would need to discuss the two components here are juvenile probation and parole officers and separation from adults. And again, this goes back to that previous module assignment, all right? So that's what you need to do. And if you got this short little video, it's because you only discussed one of these. You didn't address each of the components which is required for this assignment. And so I wanted to give you an opportunity to fix that by submitting an addendum, okay? The rest of the components are self-explanatory. I just want to make sure I touched upon these so you have an idea as to what else you need to do. And hopefully by completing the addendum, it will increase your grade. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, good luck. Thanks, guys.